Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to learn all about simple, compound and complex sentences. Before entering into the subject, let us recall what is a phrase and what is a clause. A phrase is a group of words without a subject-verb combination. It does not have a finite verb. A clause, it is also a group of words with a subject-verb combination. There are two types of clauses. One is main clause or independent clause. Other one is subordinate clause or dependent clause. Okay, main clause means it has a subject and a verb and it makes a complete meaning of its own. Whereas subordinate clause means it has a subject and a verb but it does not make a complete sense on its own. Okay, so that is called as a dependent clause because it depends on other clause for its complete meaning. Okay, these are all about the phrase and the clause. Now we shall see the structures of sentences. First one is the simple sentence. What is a simple sentence? It has a subject and a verb. It gives an idea. Only single idea it conveys. That is called a simple sentence. It is just like an independent clause. It is just like a main clause. You see, Kavin is a doctor. Kavin is a subject. Kavin, subject, is verb. What is a verb? A verb is an action word or a state of being. So Kavin is a doctor means Kavin doctor-ஆக இருக்கிறான். It conveys a single idea. So it is said to be a simple sentence. And then Rani went to a mall. Rani subject, went verb, to a mall. It conveys a meaning, complete meaning. So it is a simple sentence. And then I subject, love, verb. It has a subject and a verb and it conveys a single idea, that is I love teaching English. It is also a simple sentence. And then Gokul lives at Chennai. Gokul subject, lives, verb, at Chennai, adverb. So it is a simple sentence. It conveys a meaning. Gokul lives at Chennai. It is also a simple sentence. So a simple sentence means a sentence which has a verb and a subject and conveys a single idea is said to be a simple sentence. And then compound sentences. Compound sentences means here a sentence has two clauses, two main clauses. These two main clauses will be connected by a coordinating conjunction. Then it is said to be a compound sentence. Here you see Ram is a teacher. It is a main clause or an independent clause we say. And then his brother is a doctor. It is also an independent clause or a main clause. So these two main clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction, that is and. These two main clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction and. So it is said to be a compound sentence. A compound sentence means it has two main clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction. That you keep it in mind. And then I did not have enough money. This is a main clause. Here it has a subject and a verb. I did not have. Subject irukku, verb irukku. It conveys a complete meaning also. I did not have enough money. It is a main clause. And then my sister paid for me. This is also a main clause. An independent clause. Okay, my sister paid for me. It gives a complete meaning. So it is a main clause. So two main clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction. So okay, it is a compound sentence. Here you see, we can take our car to the airport. This is a main clause. We can take our car to the airport. It gives a complete meaning. And then we can walk. This is also a main clause. So there are two main clauses. These two main clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction to form a single sentence. ஒரு single sentence form ஆகிற மாதிரி அங்க அந்த ரெண்டு main clauseையும் ஒரு coordinating conjunction connect பண்ணுது. So these two clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction or. And then I saw my teacher. This is a main clause. Okay, it gives a complete meaning. I did not talk to her. This is also a main clause. These two main clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction but. Okay, so these are all examples for compound sentences. A compound sentence has two main clauses. These two main clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction. Okay, and then here one more thing you just note. Here at the end of the first clause, that is main clause, we shall put a comma. That is before the coordinating conjunction. இந்த conjunction முன்னால நாம அந்த main class முடியிற இடத்துல ஒரு comma போடுறோம். அதையும் நீங்க நோட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Okay? And then complex sentences. A complex sentence will have two classes, one main class and one subordinate class. First, that main class means it is an independent class, and then subordinate class means it is a dependent class. Both together they form a complex sentence. Here you see, when I went to Singapore, this is a subordinate class. Because when I went to Singapore and Singapore ku pona podu, what happened? அங்க அதுக்கான ஆன்சர் இல்ல. It does not give a complete meaning. Its meaning is incomplete. So it is said to be a subordinate class. அடுத்து பாருங்க, I met my old friend after 20 years. 20 years அப்புறம் என்னுடைய old friend நான் மீட் பண்ணேன். This is a main class. So a subordinate class plus a main class, it together makes a complex sentence. Okay? And then though he is poor, அவன் ஏழையாக இருக்கிற போதும், this is also a subordinate class. It does not give a complete meaning. Though he is poor, அவன் ஏழையாக இருக்கிற போதும், he helps all. This is a main class. So one subordinate class plus one main class, it forms a complex sentence. And then if you need any help, உனக்கு ஏதேனும் உதவி தேவைப்பட்டால், let me know, it is a main class. Let me know is a main class. If you need any help is a subordinate class. So one subordinate class and plus one main class, it makes a complex sentence. And then you can't borrow any books from the library. It is a main class. This is a main class. It is an independent class. You can't borrow any books from the library. It is an independent class. It gives a complete meaning. Unless you have a membership. Unless you have a membership. This is a dependent class or subordinate class. Okay. Here we have a main class and then subordinate class. It is a complex sentence. One thing you note here. When I went to Singapore. Here you have to put a comma. I met my old friend after 20 years. Though he is poor. Here we put a comma. He helps all. If you need any help, here we put comma, then this is a main class. But here, last sentence, you see, main class comes first. You can't borrow any books from the library. It is a main class. It comes first. The subordinate class comes second. So here we need not put any comma. Okay? Subordinate class முன்னால வந்தா மட்டும் அதோட எண்ட்ல கமா போடணும். மெயின் கிளாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல வந்துச்சுன்னா இங்க கமா போட வேண்டாம். காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் சென்டென்ஸ்ல. whereas காம்பவுண்ட் சென்டென்ஸ்ல அந்த கன்ஜங்ஷன் தொடங்குற இடத்துக்கு முன்னால அந்த கிளாஸ் முடியிற இடத்துல, அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல உள்ள மெயின் கிளாஸ் முடியிற இடத்துல you have to put a comma. That also you note it. Okay? And then these and so or but, these are all called coordinating conjunction. Conjunctions which connect to both the main classes. ரெண்டு main classes connect பண்ணக்கூடிய இந்த and so or but இதெல்லாம் coordinating conjunction. Whereas when, though, if, unless இதெல்லாம் subordinating conjunction. Okay, that also you keep it in mind. Okay students, these are all about these three sentences: simple sentences, compound sentences and complex sentences. So this is just an introduction only. Just I have given you the structures. In my next video I shall teach you how to transform a simple sentence to compound and a compound sentence to complex sentence. Like that, there will be an exercise that we shall see in the next video, because that questions will be asked for the government public examination. Okay students, keep watching my videos. Thank you. God bless you.